Welcome grade 6 students. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Let's start our lesson today by the school vision.
The school vision, to prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology.
Instructions for the students at home. You must choose a quiet place, have a laptop or PC, have a good network connection. Our value for this week is respect. Our lesson today is Project Part 1, Module 8, Go Green. You will find this lesson in your student book page 97 and your workbook page 84. Make sure you open the book on the correct page and don't forget to get your pencil. Our objectives for today are: read a leaflet to answer 5 WH questions using scanning. Number 2, identify the features of a leaflet. Now, let's open our student book on page 97 and look. What kind of this text? It's a leaflet. Very good. Can you tell me the title of our text today? Good job. World Environment Day. Let's read. Below is a leaflet a student made about World Environment Day. Here we have a question. Why should we protect endangered species? Read and answer. You can listen.
Module 8. Project 1. Below is a leaflet a student made about World Environment Day. Why should we protect endangered species? Read and answer.
World Environment Day. If we plant more trees, there will be more oxygen. If we recycle, we will protect the environment from pollution. If we clean the seas, animals won't die. If we don't waste water, there will be more water for everyone. If we protect endangered species, they won't become extinct. If we don't use cars all the time, we won't pollute the atmosphere so much. If more people use their bikes, there won't be so much traffic.
Module
So let's find out the answer. Why should we protect endangered species? If we protect endangered species, they won't become extinct. Very good. Now, let's find the answer to the following questions. What is the leaflet mainly about? How can we have more oxygen. Number 3, what will happen if we clean the seas? Number 4, how can we protect the atmosphere? You can pause the video for a while to read and find out the answer. Back again. Let's check the answer together. What is the leaflet mainly about? It's about World Environment Day. Number 2, how can we have more oxygen? Of course, if we plant more trees. What will happen if we clean the seas? Animals won't die. Number 4, how can we protect the atmosphere? If we don't use cars all the time. Now, I want you to look at the screen. You find many sentences here. Let's read them. If we recycle, we will protect the environment from pollution. If we plant more trees, there will be more oxygen. If we clean the seas, animals won't die. If we don't waste water, there will be more water for everyone. If we protect endangered species, they won't be extinct. If we don't use cars all the time, we won't pollute the atmosphere. If more people use their bikes, there won't be so much traffic. I want you to look carefully and tell me, what do you notice about these sentences? Of course, all of them start with if. Good job. Let's look at the part which is written in red. Recycle, plant more trees, clean the seas, don't waste water, protect endangered species, don't use cars, use their bikes. In which tense? Of course, in present simple. Very good. Let's look at the second part. We will protect, will be more oxygen, won't die, will be more water, won't be extinct, won't pollute, and won't be so much traffic. So I can notice here that we start with if and use the present simple and use the future in the other part. Of course, here we can see if, present simple, future will. We call it conditional sentence type 1. If, present simple, future will. And don't forget to use the comma to separate between if present simple, if clause, and the main clause. As we know, we call the first part if clause and the second part main clause. Here in conditional type 1, we use the present simple in if clause and use future will in the main clause, as we can see in the following examples. If we recycle, we will protect. If we plant more trees, there will be more oxygen. If we clean the seas, animals won't die. If we don't waste our water, there will be more water for everyone. If we protect endangered species, they won't be extinct. If we don't use cars all the time, we won't pollute the atmosphere. If more people use their bikes, there won't be so much traffic. Now, let's move to our workbook page 84, Activity 1. Read the leaflet below and complete the sentence. Use conditional sentence type 1. So, let's remember conditional sentence type 1. If, present simple, future will. Let's look at the first one. If we don't pollute lakes and rivers, we won't destroy the natural habitat of fish. Now you can pause the video for a while to read and answer by yourself. Back again, let's check the answer. Number 2, we will create homes for many animals if we plant more trees. Number 3, if we visit wildlife rescue centers, we will learn more about endangered species and how to protect them. Number 4, animal species won't disappear if we protect them. Don't forget to write the answer in your workbook. Let's move to the second part of our lesson today. Let's talk about the features of our leaflet today. But first, let's read the writing tab. You need in this time to get a sheet of paper and read the writing tab. How to design a leaflet. Let's know how to design a leaflet. Number 1, use a large piece of paper or card, as we can see here. Number 2, choose a special day to write about and write at the top in large a title and the top in a large letter. You can search and find any special day and write about it. For me here, I have chosen a World Water Day and write the title at the top of the page in capital letters. Step number 3, draw pictures or stick photos and write sentences next to or under them. But don't forget to use the conditional sentences type 1 for your ideas. Let's see. Look at this picture. If we save water, we will have water for everyone. If we don't pollute water, we will have more clean water. I want you to do like this. You can design your own leaflet and you can choose any other different special day. Here we have reached to the end of our lesson today. I hope you are enjoying the video. Thank you.